We are on page 84 to finish up this lesson. Heavens to Betsy. That looks scary, doesn't it? All right, number 23. Consider the following table of a linear relationship. If you show me 2 points, I will show you slope. You could really almost tell what slope is just by looking at this one. But let's work it and see what we have. So y sub 2, let me label my points, minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is 1 over 1 or 1. Now, if I were taking a test and I could see that that was the slope, I would not have worked that out. Slope is positive 1. Which real-world scenario could not be represented by the table? Each item cost $1. Ruth earns 1 hour of TV time for every chore completed. Bob runs 1 mile every 10 minutes. Each hanger has 1 piece of clothing on it. Jason can text 1 word per second. If slope is 1, what is the unit rate? Each item costs $1. Ruth earns 1 hour of TV time for every chore completed. For example, here's 1 item. $1 hour for 1 chore. 1 mile for 10 minutes. 1 hanger, 1 piece of clothing. 1 word, 1 second. The one that violates that slope, unit rate, rate of change, is 1 to 10. We are looking for 1 to 1. Number 24. Consider the following equation of a line. Which table of values produced this equation of a line? So they want me to match the table to the equation. Okay, how do I want to do this? Let's do it using slope. That's going to be the easiest way. The slope is clear here, and so is baby B. So let's work off of those. Slope is positive 2/3. And remember, that's rise over run. And the y-intercept is 0, -3. That's where I'm going to start. If I can find one of these tables that has that y-intercept, that would be the table I would test first. But I can't. The y-intercept is not shown on any of the tables. So we're going to have to operate on rise and run. Now remember, x is run. So x, run 3, y, rise 1. So let's see if that holds true in this first table. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. That checks. Negative 1 plus 2, we rise 2, excuse me, is 0. But 0 plus 2 is not 1. So there's a violation. That is not it. Okay, run 3. That checks. All of those work. Rise 2. Negative 1 plus 2 is negative 2. No, there's a violation. So that is not it. On the next one, we're going to run 3. We've already tested that. That is the same on all of these. So the problem is in the run, in the rise. Negative 1 plus 2 is not negative 3. There's a violation. 1 plus 2 is not negative 1. There's a violation. Negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. No violations in either row, so that is the one I want. And number 25. Consider the scenario below. Shane produces baseball mitts for sports teams with 10 mitts per box. If a team places an order of 10 mitts or higher, Shane sends a free mitt. Which table of values could represent this scenario? Number of boxes in the shipping order. Total number of mitts in the shipping order. Okay, so we're looking for violations here. And do I want to go through? No, I'm just going to use common sense on this one. No order, no mitts. 0, 0. 1 box, 10 mitts. That's not it, because remember, with 1 box, you get 10 plus that extra one. So this should be an 11 for this to work out the way it's supposed to. So there's a violation. Okay, this is looking promising. 1 box, 11 mitts. 2 boxes. Okay, now let's review. It says, if a team places an order of 10 mitts or higher, Shane sends a free mitt. That's not a free mitt with every box. That's just a free mitt. So, here's the free one. And then each of these will be adding 10. This has no violations. That is the correct answer. C. No baseball, no order, no boxes. That checks. 1 mitt, 10 boxes. No. This is 1 free mitt. They have them reversed here. 1 free. Okay, I'm not even going to go there. The X's and the Y's are reversed. The mitts should be on the bottom, and the boxes should be on the top. Total number of baseball mitts in the shipping order: 1 mitt in 11 boxes. Again, that's reversed. The 1 should be on the bottom, and the 11 should be on the top. X number of boxes, Y total number of mitts. 1 box, 10 mitts, we're not accounting for the free one, plus a free one. So there's a violation. So the answer that we want is B, as in boy. Okay, that brings us to the end of this lesson, and we will be looking at lesson